What is up, you guys? Welcome back to another episode of Sweeterman. You dig? Anyways, today is such an amazing day. What we're gonna be doing pretty much is I'm gonna be cleaning my car, showing you guys how I clean my car. To be honest with you, I really hate cleaning my car, so I'd rather pay someone to do it than take the time to think about how to make money. But sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do, you feel me? But anyways, if you're new to my channel, make sure you like and subscribe. Also make sure you follow your mans on Instagram, the Sweeterman Show on deck. Alright? And also X_, Sweeterman. Alright, you dig? Anyways, like I was saying, if you're new to my channel, this is my 2014 Audi RS5, you dig? And in front of me I do have my 2013 Ford Fusion and my mom's car, whatever, yada yada yada. It is what it is. But anyways, so I'm gonna be cleaning the cars. I have to go get some parts to get my that working. I hope it works. Never used it before, but I hope it works. Without further ado, let's get this video started on deck. You dig? Yalla. Alright, yo, let me run it down and tell you exactly what we're dealing with. So I got the part that was actually missing for the power washer right there. So I got that part on deck. I'm gonna need another part though to make my job more easier. So I needed the quick connect. So I had to use, I was in Canadian Tire for like maybe 20 minutes just trying to find the right piece. That shit is a headache, but it is what it is. But anyways, so I do have that working. I already have my soap down there, and I'm gonna be pretty much using I'm gonna show you. So I'm gonna be using, that's the soap I'm using. I actually purchased this at Canadian Tire, so I don't know if it's a good one or not. It is what it is. I'm gonna try it out. And then after that, I do have another soap to do my wheels, because the last video that I mentioned, when I took my car to the car wash, they fucked up my wheel. They didn't wash it. So I'm actually doing it on my ones, you feel me? So make that shit clean and then put that ceramic, brush it in, you feel me? But so yeah, I do have my tripod set up for y'all, and I'm gonna back this up, then give you guys a cold start. I haven't used this car in the last couple days now, so I'm gonna give you guys a cold start. Like I said, this car is a resonator delete. I know some of y'all be asking like, yo, it makes no sense, or that's not a resonator delete. It is a resonator delete. I haven't done anything else with the exhaust. It's only a resonator delete. So I'm gonna give you guys a cold start on that. Alright, yalla. Alright, so like I mentioned, I'm gonna give you guys a cold start, and I'm gonna just go over there, bring the baby out. Alright. Alright, so I'm gonna take you up closer, show you guys exactly how dirty this car is. So you can see all of that shit over there. That's all leaves. So pretty much we're gonna get rid of that. Y'all seen that shit, alright? You see how dirty that is? So we're gonna try to get rid of all these box stains. Like, this car has been destroying a lot of boxes. So here's the problem I'm having. So as you can see over here, so that's the piece. So that's the piece that I actually went to go get at Canadian Tire. These two pieces here, but it's still leaking though. So I'm gonna try to see if I can fix that. But if you guys know how to fix that, let me know down in the comments. You can see it's all going down, leaking, and then my pressure washer has that leak over there as well, which I'm gonna try to get it fixed for sure. So anyways, without further ado, let's get the car washing started. On deck, you dig? pretty much we're done. You know, I did pass this up twice, and the reason why I did that was just because I had to get rid of all the bugs that are on the car. So especially in the front, it eats a lot of bugs, and it's so low on the ground. All right. So what I'm gonna do now is just rinse that off, and then dry it out, then put the treatment. All right. Yalla. Alright, so pretty much we're done with the rinse. What we're gonna do, we're gonna dry it up. All you professional detailers out there, if I'm doing anything wrong, let me know what I'm doing wrong down in the comments below. I ain't a professional, so this is actually the first actual time that I'm actually cleaning this car on my ones, you feel me? Normally my detailer does it for me, or I take it to the car wash and then they do it for me. So if I'm doing anything wrong, let me know. I know I don't have all the tools to get the car clean. I use what I have, you feel me? So right now what I'm gonna do is pretty much I'm gonna let it sit the way it is, and then do the rims. Just wash them out, you feel me? I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna be using to wash it out. Alright, so I'm gonna be using this. Let me know if this product is good. So that's what I'm gonna be using to clean the tires and the rims. So I'm gonna take out the other soap that I have in there. I'm gonna throw it out, then put that one in, then get that going. Once that's done, I'm gonna dry out the car, what I have, in case if I do need more shit or more towels. Hopefully Canadian Tire store is open, then I'm gonna go grab some towels to get it done. I was gonna do it, but I was like, yo, I probably do have a lot at home, but clearly not. I have a few, so I'm gonna use what I have, and then yeah, get on with it. Alright, yalla. Alright, so I'm also gonna be using this spray. So it's pretty much the same one as the soap that I showed you guys. I hope that camera focus on that. So it's pretty much called Brake Buster. So I'm gonna use that, spray it on the rims. It's already wet and all. I'm just gonna spray it regardless. And let me know, can I use that same soap to use it on my car? Let me know down in the comment. It's purple, my car is purple. I was thinking I could use it. I don't know, let me know. Alright, let's do some spray. Alright, so pretty much we're done with the spray. I'm gonna put water in the bucket. I already have soap in the bucket, so I'm gonna put some water. Then go wash the rims, and then yeah, alright. So pretty much I use these two to wash the car. I do have another one that I'm gonna use for the brakes. So make sure if you're gonna use that bottle to wash your own car, make sure your car is pretty much cooled down. You don't want to use it when it's hot because you're gonna cause corrosion. Alright, so I'm gonna use this. It's not the best, but it works. I ain't got no brush for the rims. I'm just gonna use that. Maybe in the future I'll get a brush and then get better equipment, clean my own car, you feel me? Yolo! Yo, deadass, that didn't work out properly, so I'm definitely gonna be using this. Then I'm gonna wash it properly to make sure I don't contaminate my car. But regardless, it's a wrap, so it is what it is. Alright, so pretty much we're done with the rims. I'm just gonna rinse it off and then see if I need to do any correction and stuff. Alright, so pretty much we're done cleaning the car. The rims looks good. I believe the tire shining that I did the previous video is still on it. I don't know if I'm gonna apply another tire shiner on it again. We'll see. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna dry the car out, then see what it looks like, then apply the coating on it. Hopefully I do have the materials to do it with. If not, I'm gonna have to go purchase it. Alright, yo, we are done. Still, you feel me? We are done. Shout out to my designer, you feel me? One day I'm gonna get one of this on the wall for sure. God willing, alhamdulillah, we're gonna get it, you feel me? But anyways, I'm done with the car. It's like 10:30 right now, so everything is completed. I did put the coating, so pretty much I'm gonna show you guys exactly what I used to put the coating on it. So I was saying before, what I did was just took one towel, dried off, take the next towel, then put the coating on it. That's all I have. hey, it is what it is, you feel me? But according to me, I think it looks pretty clean. So I'm gonna show you guys be the judge. Alright? Yalla! Yo, so here's the final product still. So, like, I'm gonna go in closer. Yo, I feel like this is pretty clean. It's pretty smooth too. It's like a baby's butt. But yeah, it's pretty clean. Did the rims and all. Did the headlights. So, as you can see, I went for a liquid drive, you know. But the rims aren't so bad after all. I'm gonna be taking this car downtown just now. I'll see what's popping out there. So, it's clean. Yo, you can actually see my reflection, so it means I did a good job on it. So it's getting darker and darker, but you can still see all the glare on it. Alright, so pretty much that's how you keep your car clean. I think I did pretty good. Let me know down in the comment what you guys think. I'm gonna be showing you guys the product exactly with what I used and all that stuff. But I didn't do the interior, just the exterior. I'm gonna do the interior probably tomorrow, and also do my mom's car as well. You know, idiot thing if you just do your own car and you don't do if you have any other car, even though it doesn't belong to you and you don't do it, it's idiot things. You know, you all live in the same house, make sure you know you support one another. It's family. So yeah, even if I don't clean my mom's car, like, you know, with the same treatment like I did with mine, I'm still gonna clean it regardless. She didn't ask me to clean it, I'm still gonna do it. So that's just how we do things. Alright, so pretty much here's the product that I actually use. It's called liquid crystal. Right here, liquid crystal. Boom. So that's the product that I'm using to apply the coating on it. So like I mentioned before, I already have ceramic coating on it, so that's just the sealing. So this could last me maybe a couple more times, which I'm looking forward to that. And I did purchase this also. Actually, not this one. So I used this here. I showed you guys before. I used that to do the rims. I also used the same product to clean the tires. I don't know if I could use the same product to clean my car. If you do know, let me know down in the comment. Alright, but anyways, without further ado, it's been a great time with you guys. Make sure you guys like, subscribe. You know, I'm looking forward to make more content. Alright, just keep the subscribe, keep coming. Alright, so let me know exactly also what you guys want to see me do more with the cars. You guys want me to do any reviews on cars? I don't know how I feel about doing car reviews, but if you guys into that, I could do a 1-2 car reviews. I do have a couple friends that have a couple cars, so I might maybe do a couple car reviews. I don't know, you guys let me know. You know, let me know what you guys want to watch. But anyways, make sure you follow your man on Instagram, the Sweeterman Show. Feel me? And also X_Sweeterman on Instagram. Alright, and I also do have another YouTube channel called Sweeter Talks. So on that channel, so far, what I'm doing on that channel is pretty much bringing awareness. You know, it's time for us to wake up type of thing, you feel me? So that's what I'm doing on that channel. So far, I have 2 videos on that channel so far. So make sure you guys go check it out. Alright, we're done for the day. Like, subscribe, comment. Alright, yalla.